Welcome back to Izzy's kitchen. I'm Izzy. We're cooking in my kitchen. Today we're gonna be making zucchini bread, and I am very excited about it because zucchini bread is really good. And even though it might not sound good, it is. The ingredients you'll need for this are 2 cups of flour, 1/3 cup of oat flour, 2 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 cups of grated zucchini, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. So there's a tiny bit of prep for this recipe. In order to make the oat flour, if you don't already have some, you just put some oats in a food processor or a blender. And then you're gonna need to grate up the zucchini using a box grater. I'm just gonna be preheating my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So first thing I'm gonna do is add my dry ingredients, which is my flours, my sugar, and my salt and my cinnamon. Now I'm gonna add in the wet ingredients, which is zucchini, eggs, and oil. After everything is pretty well mixed together, I'm gonna add in my chocolate chips. And finally, I'm going to add my batter to my greased pan and put it in the oven for an hour. So it's later, it's after dinner, and I already tried a piece of the zucchini bread but forgot to film it. So overall, it came out really, really, really good. It's really sweet. It doesn't really taste like zucchini at all, but still you get the benefits of zucchini in the bread. 10 out of 10 recommend. So I hope you liked the recipe, and I hope you try it. And for VTV, I'm Izzy.